Are you excited? Huh? Okay, come on. Let's go. Let's go. Check this out, you guys. Isn't that cool? Little log cabin. How adorable. It's like a little lean-to. Oh, this is so cool. Wow. Somebody put a lot of thought into this. I will be genuinely surprised if you get in that water today. It's very cold. Okay, you can drink it. That's fine. I have a feeling Sam has found something dead. She's rolling in something. I'm sure probably shouldn't be rolled in. Let's find out. What are you rolling in? Huh? Sam, what'd you find? What'd you find? Doesn't look like anything. Must have been an animal. Come on over here. Come over here. Thank you. Mr. Gus is right behind me. You can hear him helicoptering. Oh, there he is, coming around. Good job. Go play, Gus. What are you guys doing over there? What are you doing? Come here. What do you see? I'm gonna come closer. What do you smell? Oh, you're picking up some scent. Keep going back to that same spot. Is it a mouse? I bet it is. Or a chipmunk. I guess that's of great interest, hey? Even you're poking your nose in? Well, that hole, I bet that is a creature. That's not nice. You're probably hurting its winter home. Let's go. Careful, Mr. Gus. I don't think you can pick up that stick. There we go. Ellen's doing the right thing. Come on, let's go. Well, I've been trying to walk away from the water, and these typical little Labradors here seem to find every little puddle. The adventure continues. Let's go this way. Good pups. See, this is a little better on your paws. Come here, puppies. Let me see your faces. Come here. You're so good. You're just going to use him as a bench? Are you ready to keep going? Ready to keep going? All right, let's keep going. And another water hole. That's the theme, I think, of this video. How many water holes can my Labradors find in the woods? Hey, Ellen, what you doing? Come on, pups. Let's go this way. Oh, we did a loopy-loop. We're back to that really cool lean-to. That is so cool, you guys. Seriously. Somebody put a lot of time into this. What are you guys stopping for? You hear something? What is it? All right, well, we're not doing much if we're just standing around. Let's go. You guys are cute. If I tired you out already? Must be a lot of animal smells here because they're rolling a lot today. Come on, guys. Let's keep being active. Oh, you're picking up a smell too, are you? Huh. What you smell? Oh, they're gone. And back. You want to keep going? Come on, babies. Come on, babies. Let's go. Come on. Sam. I could see you had your own agenda there. looking back at me slyly. Off they go. Just waiting on Mr. Gus Gus. Come on, handsome. You're so good. You ready to come this way? Hey, are you ready? Yeah, I was born ready. Yeah, let's go. Oh, found another chipmunk hole, huh? Looks really pretty. I don't know what you guys... Oh, they found something. They definitely found something. He found other walkers and thought that it was okay to just run up at them like that. They have another dog. I know you were just saying hello, but the other people didn't like it. It is what it is, Sam. I still love you. We're just going to wait here for a second to watch for them to pass. Another scent. Stay. Mr. Gus Gus, are you going to have a heart attack on me? All right. Got to make sure I have you all together. Right? Let's go. Let's go have fun. Yeah, you lead the way. That's not the way I'm going. That's water. Yet again. Come here, Sam. Good girl. You're all so good. I just want to see if I can get you all. Here. Gus Gus. Betty Boo. Ellen. Yeah. You're a jumper. Oh my, that's an impressive one. You're like, so what if I didn't get it? I'll just make my own. You're going to share with Ellen, or is she just helping? Come on, Sam, I am. Probably sniffing deer poop. Oh, yeah. I was wrong. They were. That looks like a crow to me. That's too bad. Looks like a creature got it. I just want to see your pretty faces again. Hey? I think there's a creature around here. It's just really pretty. Joey's carrying some of those crow feathers. More water. Careful. You're such an adventurer. Oh, oh, that was close. Is this your first time seeing ice? I'm just realizing this now, Mr. Joey. That's your first time. Come back. Come back. Come here, Sam.